are about to go over the live trading system results for the day. NVDA and Nasdaq plotted side by side with the order book, so you can see the speed of the moves in this market. And while we exited around here in 350 or so before the market sold off. Now it could bounce back, but some of the positions have exited. So we're up on the day 5.25K, so plus 5250. And I'm going to get rid of this pin because it causes this to freeze. And so just waiting. You can see it's a bit jumpy on NVIDIA in the after hours. It's after 4 o'clock Eastern time. And this is the Nasdaq. Like I said, we exited our trades at 350-ish before the order imbalance came out. Market sold off. Now it's bouncing back. And so it's interesting to note which way it could go. I mean, it could zoom 200 or 300 points higher or more, 200 or 300 points lower or more. NVIDIA could go up to 500 or crash. And so we don't have the hypotheticals results yet, but here are the live results on the day. 5250 on the day, done for the day. I closed my workspaces. I closed all positions, canceled all orders, closed the workspaces, and double checked that as well. And live on the week and up on the month, quarter, and year. Reduced our drawdown to 3,400. We don't have the hypotheticals yet. Once all the trading system signals close out, I will post those. But this is where we are. I'm going to pause the video, and when the earnings come out, we will turn this video back on. There is the fast movement that we're talking about. You can see NVIDIA moving, the Nasdaq not moving as fast. And so I don't know, sometimes the market moves fast before the earnings come out, right before it comes out, and then it moves faster and goes the other way or continues. And so it's always interesting. I share this because this price action is interesting to me. The way these markets move, the details, the dynamics of markets. And so just watching that trade. This is just the @NQ symbol. So you can see the market rallying back. See NVIDIA rallying. And so I still haven't seen an earnings flash. This could go, sometimes this goes one way and then it goes the other way really quickly. You can see the volume on the order book for NVIDIA at these prices. And so these are where the trades were executed. It's a little different than futures. We're used to futures executing. The volume in futures executes at every price, while it skips around in equities. So this is kind of look like a pre-release move, maybe a fast pre-release move. Sometimes that happens. And the Nasdaq responded. Obviously, the NVIDIA is heavily weighted in the Nasdaq, but the Nasdaq will not. If NVIDIA goes up 10%, Nasdaq will not go up 10%. And so I'm going to pause the video and wait for the release. It looks like they are maybe waiting for the futures to close. The longer they wait, you have to wonder if that means a negative report potentially. But the futures, the old futures close was at 3:15, 4:15 Eastern, 3:15 Central for at least 15 minutes, and then it reopened at 3:30 Central, 4:30 Eastern. But now, it trades until 4 o'clock Central, 5 o'clock Eastern. But they could be waiting till 3:15 or 3:30 to release this report. Last time it was pretty quick after the bell. This time it's a bit delayed. So the futures have closed, and all of our trades have closed out. Hypotheticals were 42.15 on the day, and so we beat those by about 1,000, getting out a little bit early before the order imbalance. And so good trading on the day, good trading on the week. We'll hang out and see if if NVIDIA will release their earnings, and then continue the video. Well, there is the move, massive move. All of our strategies were flat, and NVIDIA went for that 500. It's there. Nasdaq is up 100 from its low point down here. It's fun to watch the market make these kind of moves. You might spend all day in this type of range that you just saw in 1 minute historically. So to see that kind of move is very interesting, and then it comes right back down Looks like NVIDIA just want to take out 500. Interesting to watch. You can see how fast the order book is. Now, last time they released this in that window between 4 and 4:15 Eastern, while we still have positions, all of our positions exited, and so it was a non-event. We still beat our hypotheticals because we got out before the order imbalances, and that helped us a little bit by 1,000. And so with that trade, these are the results on the day. Let's go over these specific trades. As you can see, more of this. We'll come back to this. So NVIDIA beat earnings, and it looks like it would be great to have these releases and these kind of moves intraday. Let's go over the signals that actually happened. Adaptive moving average plus 1650. Nice trade on the day. Top S&P strategy on the day. Opening chop minus 1225. Tick count trend dynamic turnaround. That number was right at plus 100. So 2 for 3 in the S&P, up a little bit, trading the S&P. Cobra 3 up 185. Viper, one winner, one loser, plus 270. These trades would have been incredible had we had that current move in the day. And so it's interesting how earnings are released after hours when the markets are less liquid or closed. Gap continuation plus 1615. EVP1 minus 350. Tick count trend, one winner, one loser, minus 50. Tick reversal, big trade on the day, plus 2390. Bounce reversal, plus 200. Mag 7 plus $975, and minus 1290 on momentum reversal. Micro S&P with the same trades, plus 161.25, minus 122.50 on opening chop, and plus $10 on tick count trend dynamic turnaround. Micro Nasdaq trades, like they're about the same as well, plus 19 on the Cobra 3, plus 26.50 on Viper, plus 161.50 on gap continuation, minus 32, minus 34 on EVP1, and tick count trend was minus 5. Tick reversal was plus 239. Tick long aggressive was minus 23, and bounce reversal was plus $20. Plus 97.50 on Mag 7, and minus 128.50 on momentum reversal. So same trades there on. I'm showing the same trades on the micros and the E-minis. The market was on our volume indicators was extremely strong all day long. On our tick count trend indicators was extremely strong on the blues as well. And the market internals show us a VIX that is dropping below 16. And the earnings, so NVIDIA is over 500. Nasdaq is up at 15.3. And we have Jackson Hole on Friday, which is could be another big market mover. But the market seems to be strong this week so far, looking towards making new equity peaks, plus $3,400 away from our last equity peak. So working on that. These are the trades on the day for Wednesday, August the 23rd, 2023.
Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.